Alright, now the One UI 6.0 has arrived on most of the latest Samsung Galaxy phones, and some of the older phones are yet to get it. And the One UI 6.1 is currently available only on the Galaxy S24 series, and it is expected to hit the predecessors starting from this month end. And again, this update is going to take a few months to hit all the Samsung Galaxy phones which are eligible. While we are still waiting for these updates, we have already got the Android 15 developer preview on the Pixel phones, about which I have already made a video. Now, based on Android 15, Samsung will be releasing the One UI 7.0 tentatively by the end of this year. And it's time we know which are the eligible devices for the Android 15 as far as the Samsung Galaxy phones are concerned. So here is the tentative list of eligible Samsung Galaxy phones for One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Let's take a look at this list here. We of course have the Galaxy S24 series, S23 series, S22 series and 21 series. The S21 series is eligible to get 4 years of software upgrades, so this will also be eligible to get the One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Then we have got the Z series, the Z Fold 5, 4 and 3, and then we have Z Flip 5, 4 and 3. Then in A series, this is the list we have got. Then we have the Tab series. And here are the F and M series which are eligible to get the Android 15 tentatively by the end of this year or in the beginning of next year 2025. Now, as far as the Android 15 features are concerned, we have not seen anything exciting so far on the developer preview 1. We have received features like partial screen recording or in-app screen recording, which enables us to record the screen in a particular application. Then we are expecting a better camera utilization in some of the third-party social media applications. An all-new feature called notification cooldown, which gradually lowers the notification volume when you get many successive notifications from the same application. And a couple of security and privacy features are some of them which we could note on the developer preview 1, and definitely Google will add some more additional features very soon. So I'll be keeping you guys posted about the developer preview 2 and the beta versions of Android 15 which are going to come on the Pixel phone, so stay tuned for those videos. And as soon as we get the One UI 6.1 update for the Galaxy S23 series, I will also be making a video, and then comes the One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 by end of this year. If you want to stay updated with all these new updates we are going to get on the Galaxy phones or other Android phones, be sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know which device do you use and is your phone listed in this video or not. Drop a comment, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you find this informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers, bye bye.